Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a BMW 5 Series there on a 2008. Now this one goes from 2003 to 2010. I'm just going to show you how to reset the inspection on this. Usually, I mean, you can do everything else through the... I'll show you the button. 1 second, let me switch the ignition on. Or maybe start the car up. Now you see in the middle there, that's the service. That's the inspection light. Says you've got a date right there, 10/2018. Now to get to the service menu, I'll just show you that as well. What you do, switch the ignition on. It's a keyless entry. So you press this corner button right here once, twice, 3 times. Wait. You then hold it for at least 10 seconds. You've got the exclamation mark in the middle. Right. Now that's the reset we need to do, but we can't do it through here. So I'm just going to show you the other reset, like brake fluid. You got the oil, you got the brake, rear brakes, you got the other whole car checked and stuff from brake pads. But with this one, the only way you can do it is through the system here. So if I now go and press the exclamation mark, which I press this button right here once, then on the top you can see there the display. Sorry, this is a bit bluey, so you can't really see much. So you got the settings, you got the info sources, you got the display, then you got the vehicles and tires. So all you then do is you scroll to the left like this. You want to go to the information sources, so press OK. Then you go down to the service, as you can see right there. You go do the service, and then you can check control messages, service requirements. All you then do is press down again. Now you can see I've already done the other resets. So I've done the brake fluid changes, I've done the engine oil, fuel filter, air filter, I've done everything else, done a full vehicle check as well. But with vehicle inspection, the only way you can do it is by setting. It's overdue at the moment, so you've got a scheduled date for service. So today is, oops, sorry, so I'll press OK. Today is the 11th, which is November. I press OK again, and then it's 2021. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to 2022. So I'll scroll down, sorry, once again, press OK. I then have to press OK again to confirm. That's all done now. So if I press menu button, menu again, switch the car off, and then start the car up. Now you can see there's nothing displayed. Okay, that's all you had to do on this particular model. It is a BMW 5 Series 530D on a 2008 plate. Now this model here goes from 2003 to 2010. So if you've got similar displays or whatever, you know, with the buttons, or you can do it through the speedo. On the left hand corner there's a little button, you got to press it a couple of times and then hold it till the exclamation mark comes up. Once the exclamation mark comes up, then you'll get the information for services. Just click on the one that you've done and make sure you do the service before you reset it. And if there is anything else, do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.